In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank statements in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section, which you can find on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This area is essentially your starting point for anything related to your transactions, and it conveniently organizes everything into one place. Once you're in the Transactions section, you'll see a tab labeled Reconcile. This is your next destination. Clicking on this tab propels you into the reconciliation process, a crucial step to ensure your bank records align accurately with your QuickBooks data. On this page, you'll need to click Get Started. Now that you're ready to jump into reconciling, you must choose the specific account you wish to reconcile. This is an essential step because different bank or credit card accounts will have distinct statements, and each needs to be reconciled individually. After selecting your account, you'll need to enter a couple of important pieces of information: the statement ending balance and the statement ending date. These details are critical. Double-checking them against your actual bank statement ensures you're starting with the correct figures, avoiding any discrepancies later on. With the ending balance and date settled, click Start Reconciling. This is where you really get into the nitty-gritty of the reconciliation process. QuickBooks will now display a list of transactions, and your job is to verify these against your bank statement. This verification is done by checking off the checkboxes next to each transaction that appears on your bank statement. It's like matching puzzle pieces. You're ensuring every transaction is cleared and accounted for. An important tip here is to be meticulous. It's up to you to discern which transactions should be cleared. If at any point you're unsure about a particular transaction, it might be useful to cross-reference with any related financial documents or queries. Reconciliation is your chance to catch any discrepancies before they turn into more significant issues down the line. Once you've diligently worked through your transactions, you have two choices for concluding this part of the process. If you need to pause and revisit your work later, QuickBooks offers the handy Save for Later button at the top right. This feature literally saves your progress, so you can return and complete the reconciliation when convenient for you. Alternatively, if you're confident that everything is matched and accounted for, you can click Finish Now to finalize the reconciliation. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to reconciling bank statements in QuickBooks Online. With a bit of focus and attention to detail, you'll ensure your financial records are accurate and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling.